Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Mahek Javed from the set of Iqbal Medics Clinic and Pharmacy. Licorice tea I'm going to talk about. Yes, it helps you to get rid of acne and different skin issues. Also, it helps prevent bloating, body aches, and it is very good and effective remedy for lower and upper respiratory tract infections, cough, cold, fever. The greatest benefit of this is that it helps in antioxidant provision. That is, it helps in toxin flushing out from our body and helps to clear our skin. It has a great role in skin